Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how you can download the Kami extension so that you can use it for some of your worksheets this year. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to the Chrome Web Store. If you just Google Chrome Web Store, it should be the first link that pops up. When you get there, you're going to search for Kami. And if you search, it should be the first one that pops up, and it looks like this. You're going to click Add to Chrome. Then this will pop up and you want to add the extension. And then it'll pop up in the top right hand corner. Now, if you click this puzzle piece, you can pin the Kami extension so that it will always stay up there for you. The next thing you're going to want to do is click on that Kami extension so that you can log into Kami. You're going to click Login with Google, and then you're going to click your name. Now, there might be some other questions that pop up. It will probably ask you if you're for a K-12 school, and then if you are a student. So you'll want to click those things to authorize your Google Drive. So there might be a few more steps. Once you do this, you're going to have to go back to your Google Classroom to access some of your work. So how you will do that is you will go to Google Classroom. You should have it in your waffle. And then you can click on an assignment. And if it's a PDF file, so this red PDF square, I should have this choice that says Open with Kami. If not, I might need to refresh my browser by using this refresh tool up here. But now, since I see it, I'm going to click Open with Kami. Now, if I'm logged into Kami, like we did just a second ago, it should take me right to my assignment in Kami. If not, I have to make sure that I am logged in here in the top right hand corner with Kami. So if I log back in, then all I have to do is go back to the classroom and click Open with Kami one more time. Once you get here, you see your worksheet, and you have a lot of tools over here on the side that you can use. Since this assignment wants me to write some words here, I can use a text box, and I can type something in here. If I don't like it, I can get rid of it and change the colors. If I need to underline things, I can use some of these other tools like the drawing tool. If I need to highlight some things, this markup tool works great. Lots of different tools that you can use. So play around with it a little bit. And then once you're comfortable, go ahead and get started on your assignment. Now, once you have all of your answers the way you want them, you have to go up to this Turn In button so that it will save your work. That is the way that the teacher is going to be able to see what you have done. So you'll make sure you click that Turn In button. That should allow you to turn in your work. Now it might pop up asking you to authorize your Google Drive. Of course you want to do that. You'll have to log in again. You need to scroll down and allow. You won't have to do that every time, probably just the first time. That way it knows that it can send it back to Google Classroom for you. And that should be all you have to do. If you have any questions, please let your teacher know.